Alright, YouTube, we've got this little light power coming in. 4710. 302, 4710, 4760, 4772. Oh, we got 382. Oh my God, no! Wait, that might not be 382. Come on, you Pillberry. Yes! He's finally gone. Westbound meets eastbound. Thank God. Oh my God. Now, if I'm correct, that might be 382. Wait, that's not 382. 25, 73, 57, 95, 70, 81, 70, 82. Amazing crew. Oh shit. Hey! Brother and sister action! My third train! Another train horn! Yo! Can't ask for a better day! I know that wasn't 382, that's for sure. 382 is carrying NS and BNSF. That I've been told. That was a nice 4 engine though. Not a big one, I'll give him that. The U is 2571. Sitting there, we'll catch in another video. Until then, stay tuned some more. Waiting for 382. Until next time, stay tuned.